Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some exciting news straight from Samsung. Get ready to say hello to the future of wearable technology with the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Ring. So, what's the buzz about this innovative piece of tech? Well, imagine having a powerful health tracker right on your finger. That's right. The Galaxy Ring comes equipped with sensors capable of monitoring your heart rate, respiratory rate, movement during sleep, and even how long it takes you to fall asleep once you hit the bed. But wait, there's more. Samsung is taking health tracking to the next level with something called a vitality score. This feature gathers data about your physical and mental readiness, helping you understand how productive you can be throughout the day. And guess what? All this data will be easily accessible through the Samsung Health app, making it convenient for you to keep track of your well-being anytime, anywhere. Now, I know what you're thinking. When can I get my hands on this incredible piece of tech? Well, hold on to your hats because the Galaxy Ring is set to hit the shelves later this year. Unfortunately, we don't have the exact timeline or pricing details just yet. But trust me, we'll be keeping a close eye on any updates from Samsung. But wait, there's more. Samsung is not stopping there. They're considering adding a feature that would allow the Galaxy Ring to make contactless payments, just like your smartphone. And get this, folks, the possibilities don't end with health and payments. Samsung is exploring various other use cases for the Galaxy Ring, making it a versatile companion for your everyday life. But perhaps the most exciting news is Samsung's ongoing work in the realm of health technology. They're looking into non-invasive glucose monitoring and blood pressure sensing through wearable devices. Imagine being able to monitor your health without the need for invasive procedures. It's a game changer, folks. So there you have it, folks. The Samsung Galaxy Ring is poised to revolutionize the way we track our health and interact with technology on a daily basis. Stay tuned for more updates, and as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for all the latest tech news. Until next time, take care and stay tech savvy. Bye.